Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing essentials. Gather your email address, password, and server details if you need a map/POP or Exchange. Once done, open the Outlook desktop app and head straight to File Add Account. This kicks off the setup flow. You do this now so Outlook can test connectivity immediately. Enter your email when prompted and let Outlook attempt auto-detect. If auto-detect succeeds, you'll save time. If it fails, don't worry, we'll enter settings manually in the next step. If auto-detect didn't finish, choose Manual Setup and pick a map, POP, or Exchange. Now type the incoming server, port number, and encryption method. IMAP typically uses port 993 with SSL, POP uses 995. Outgoing SMTP often uses 587 with startles. Make sure the username matches your full email address and enable authentication for outgoing mail. After entering credentials and server details, click Test Account Settings. The test verifies sign-in and SMTP. Once green, make sure Remember Password is checked for seamless use. Finish by clicking Next and then Done. Outlook will download your mail and sync folders. Make sure folder hierarchy appears and send a test message to confirm outgoing mail. If something fails, verify ports and SSL/TLS choices, toggle them and retest. Corporate accounts often need VPN or multi-factor authentication, so enable that or create an app-specific password. Clearing cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager and restarting Outlook often resolves stale logins. If problems persist, contact your email admin with the exact error message.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.